Okay, guys, we are back at it, and we are about to talk about these stocks that are going down to a major discount. These stocks are oversold and ready. Some are already coming in for bullish divergence. Some already have extra large orders coming in. We're going to dive deeper into the news and fundamentals and the charts and the technicals. This is for all of you people who cannot afford a $10 monthly membership and need to know what's going on next. These are the ones I'll be watching, okay? Let's just get right into it with SLDP. As you know, we've been watching SLDP coming in for the next round of bullish divergence on the weekly chart trading time frames. Give this about another week or so and coming into the next year, once all the new solid state battery generation stocks all get bullish, we're watching things like SLDP come in for the next bull run. We already have some things like MVST coming in for bull runs. Again, another one of these electric advanced battery technology stocks. What we're seeing MVST do, downflows of 15 cents, is the same thing SLDP is going to do. And big whales will be going for this one because it's already up at these higher prices of over $1. Right now is the early seed on these stocks. Okay, I'm showing you these early, and you can see you have a mass amount of extra larges coming in, and mediums coming in. This is the beginning. I'm showing you this now so you know what's going on, okay? And you'll be able to see if you are in the Discord when I'm telling you when to buy and when to sell these things on time. Any stock that I'm getting, any stock that I've ever gotten or ever traded for the last 5 years is all in my one main Billy Bank section. It's easy money. We know what you're going for. You don't got to worry about getting all the other coaches alerts and doing what they do. You can literally sit back and follow along with my alerts. Again, I'm showing. I don't often make a video telling you what all the next swings are. They only go out of my section, and then I make a video updating those gains afterwards. I'm doing this now for you guys who cannot afford a $10 monthly membership. And if you are one of those guys who cannot afford a $10 monthly membership, then let me know, and I will literally give you a $10 loan so you can afford a $10 membership one time. Because once you get in, I know that you'll be able to give me my $10 back because I have 7,000 members in here who are all full-time traders who have learned to do this, catching these early birds, these early bird specials, these easy stocks for the safe, easy early seat. I will give you again. You're not gonna hear that from any other body, from any person. You want to hear that from your family. I will literally give you a $10 loan so you can have the opportunity to get rich in here. And you are guaranteed to win this money tomorrow. Don't miss out. I'm doing this for you, man. I'm showing this stuff to you guys right now so you can go ahead and catch this. And you see, I don't say stuff for nothing. You got mass amount of extra larges coming in, not going out, coming in with bullish contribution flowing in right now. Resistance at 144. Once they get past that, and they already have strong bullish waves coming in, and we are already going for SLDP along in the Discord. Next, you got KANF. This is a health stock down to a big. Oh, yeah. One thing about SLDP you need to understand is that this as well has a very beautiful balance sheet. This is going to be strong with the big whales buying in with bullishness, with large scale $1 million USD orders come rushing in here right now. KNF down to a big discount. You want to see on your 4-hour chart, they're starting to build support down there. Here on CANF, you have extra larges that are going out, large is going out, mediums coming in, and small is coming in with a bullish wave of cost distribution down there. That bullish wave of cost distribution is still very strong, going to overtake all of those small bearish waves. Get up to the resistance of 242. Once it breaks past that 242, I'll show you now. Once it gets past this 242 right here, it's going to come in for a very massive explosion. Gets past there, big resistance around 3. Gets past, notice this 3, where it started off from last time. Get past there, and it'll start spiking towards about $4. It won't hold up too well, but it's going to be a hot reversal coming in. And you want to make sure you're locking in gains and being most prepared. Okay. Now, when you start seeing those edge larges come in, this one will happen fast. It has a low stat, average volume of 421,000, current free flow on 6 million. You got them buying in here down at the bottom now. That's why we see a bullish wave of call distribution coming in now. Don't miss out on this. Bullish indicators all across the board on CANF, another one that we are going for as well. Gonna be looking forward to the next hot piece of news to come out. And here on KNF, they have a very decent balance sheet up here over $1. Big whales want to go for as they are up in compliance, sitting good right now. CANF, big and short interest, same as SLDP, huge and short interest. These are short squeeze potential targets, and you will be able to see it's not same as SLDP. And let you know in here in my section. Hold, you'll be able to see what I'm telling you in my section. It's time to sell. You'll be able to keep up to date with the videos. I just made some of these in recent videos. The ones that are that we're going for news now because we already locked in gains. We already locked in gains off of those old swings. The previous swings from the previous video and whatnot, already locking gains off of those. And then you move on to the next thing. Again, like even HCHR and HOVR, we already locked in gains off of those. We're on to the next thing. These like you got to keep up with the flow. See dealer on time, lock in gains on time. Okay, but continuing on now with what we were just talking about, CANF. Also with alerts for CANF along in the Discord. Of course, I'm putting out alerts, letting you know this is an early seat. These are early bird specials. Don't miss out on this. Next, you got XTIA. Everybody's most watched and most favorite right now with a massive volume of 85 million coming in. It got a free float of 174 million. They're going to need more pressure to come in on XCIA. And people are very excited for XCIA down at the bottom being in the EVTOL industry. I'll show you more about XTIA and you'll be able to see greater in detail on XTIA. Right now, you got extra larges going out, larges and mediums and smalls all going out. If you're looking to hold this thing back, and this is very active and high in the last daily short sale volumes, as this is very, very, very huge in short interest. I mean, compared to what it's been most recently, And this short interest down here, we're gonna watch them start to cover those shares back up. Now, one thing about short interest and just selling. So, I mean, short sellers and just selling. So, if a stock is just sold off, it doesn't have that short interest power that can make it come in for a short squeeze. Those are things to take note of. So, right now, what we see that this thing does have short interest in there, those shorts are going to cover shares. And when you see that daily short sale volume is active in the last few days, even yesterday, well, some of those people who are doing that, they're going to be covering up their shares rather immediately, which is why we see quick spikes coming in here because they be covering up their shares. You can get a gradual round of short covering on the way up, or a quick round of short cover that'll cause a spike, or a short squeeze that'll cause an explosion. But XIA, they're gonna have to do a reverse split either way. Keep your eyes on this one. This got APLT. Super Bull is coming into APLT all throughout the day, even here into the after hours. With an average volume of 5.24 million, we have already been putting out alerts for APLT as well. Letting you know APLT is up and you want to be holding in on APLT. We have seen APLT go parabolic in the past. So when this thing explodes, we'll be seeing this thing go parabolic again. You want to be in under this $2 before this thing does explode. And like when it goes parabolic, this thing can reach up to massive highs, man, towards like double digits if it really gets bullish enough. And here on APLT, massive short interest, huge daily short sale volume, and extremely, extremely bullish indications all across the board, literally. And extra largest meaning that small is all coming into the stock already. Just looking for a wave of bullish cost distribution, and once they get to resistance at that 250, you notice there's no bearish waves holding them back at all on APLT. A easy bull when it comes to this, and you'll be able to see the alerts when I tell you guys it's time to sell. Then right now that you want to be in ALPELT and you want to hold, and this could just be an easy overnight swing by how they're buying in there right now. Then you got BTE, an energy stock. Okay, the energy sectors and whatnot haven't been doing the greatest, which is why we see a lot of energy stocks just overall just haven't been exploding and whatnot lately. So there's a few of them you can be looking into and understand that different industries move a little bit different. Well, I'm showing you these now. You can see all your industries at the bottom of Webull or whatever platform you're on, and you'll be able to pick from there what you will really be liking the most and stuff like that. But here we can see things like CNEY as well. These energy stocks, BET, down to a big discount. They're going to be coming in for bull runs. Okay, once the overall energy sectors get bullish, these are on big discounts. They really just literally, both of these, watch this, are looking for the next round of bullish divergence. BTE is having it easier with more solid value. But watch out for these stocks. You have targets, if you can see the target one of this 560, this 250 right here, 260, and another target of about 270, and then another target about 280 before it breaks past that and gets into the $3 range. It's going to get very choppy up there on BTE. You will be able to see my alert in the Discord. I may not be coming back to update these in the videos. Just keep in mind that I put out the alerts in the Discord. Okay, so STSS, tech stock. Okay, one healthcare related has been coming in for more bullishness down here I'll go show you STSS. Again, I'm showing you here towards the after hours so you'll be able to have the most accurate and up-to-date readings. And right now you got extra largest, largest, mediums, and smalls coming in across the board today on STSS with an extremely bullish wave of cost distribution coming down there, already getting ready to overtake that small bearish wave on STSS. A very decent bull run will come into STSS as this. It's not massive in short interest. Let me go see. This is not just huge, massive, and short interest. So it won't be the short squeeze potential target, but still very bullish with those extra larges and bullish orders coming in all across the board for the last couple days clean. They'll come in for a spike when they flip that float. They're gonna flip the average volume of 190,000 and then flip they float of 1 million, and they'll be spiking up to about that 2.80 cents. If they can get past there, they'll get closer towards that $4. It'll get very choppy. Just be ready to lock in gains because they will lock in gains. And again, the next bull run might not be as big as the last one, so it might not go up all the way. Be looking towards about $3. Okay, so SONN. Another biotech, big gap to fill on SONN. SONN has been wrecked again. You know, these health stocks, therapeutic stocks, and the attack, the daily short sell attack the other day. But this one has extra large going out with lots of smalls and mediums and larges that are starting to come in. They don't have a bullish wave of cost distribution just yet. But what I'll tell you now, watch out for these therapeutics while I'm showing you this, okay? These therapeutics be wrecked and they be risky. But the thing is about this is it's down to its ultimate point where it had its last explosion up to about $5, $6. And if it can get up to about that $5, $6 and hold up there, you can see that's where it had its last big explosion all the way to about $13. These are key levels and key areas here. Notice that $13 where it had its last big sell off from there as well. Notice these key levels and understand your target ranges and percentage ranges. Again, no time to dive all the way deep into the fundamentals and all stuff of every single one of these because there's more stuff I got to get to later on. But if you want to know some of the stuff I'll be working on tonight, I have been working on the bankability store, setting up bankability products and whatnot. Even for the ladies, okay, bankability leggings and all of that stuff like that. So look forward to some of this stuff. I'll be posting these up on the channel here pretty soon. I want to get it all filled up, and I will be doing a holiday special as well. And I will be coming up with a Banker with Billy discount membership sale here towards Christmas and stuff like that. You know, so I got pretty a lot of plans for you guys. Like I say, if you're one of those people who just can't afford $10 a month, let me know. I'm here for you guys. My goal is not to just take money from you guys, okay? My goal is to make sure you can be in here with the rest of the 7,000 members in here, successfully trading all day, every single day. Even if that means that I have to come out of pocket and give you a couple dollars so you can be able to get in there. I got you guys. I am literally with y'all. Just let me know what you need to succeed. Like I say, I don't say for nothing. Let me know for any questions, concerns, recommendations, or if you need any accommodations. Whatever it needs for you to be able to succeed, I'm not going to gatekeep you. So I'm going to make sure you can get in there. I got you. I'm Billy Banks. I'll see y'all in there, and happy trading.